Hey, Natalie here with Denver Parks and Recreation. I have 3 workouts for you that can be completed as a total body workout, or you can use them as a standalone in addition to anything that you do. Okay, let's get going. Okay, I have a legs workout for us today. We have 4 movements, 2 rounds of those movements, and we'll do another set of 4 movements, 2 rounds of those. Let's go ahead and get warmed up. I'm going to bring your left knee into your chest, then your right knee in for some high knee pulls. Rotate your ankle if that feels good, just to warm up through feet and ankles. Good, about 10 more seconds here. Maybe you can pull your knee in a little tighter. We're releasing our hip flexors and our hamstrings, our glutes. Let's get 1 more each side. And we'll take external hip rotation and then internal hip rotation. So the same leg, then he comes up and around, and then back through. Just warming up through hips. For any lateral movement, we're going to do about 10 more seconds here. Good. We're here for 5, 3, 2, and switch your sides. Other knee comes up and around. Nice strong core, so upper body stays pretty steady, but really feel your knee rotate. Good. We have about 15 more seconds here. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and rest. Feet come about hip width apart. Let's take some nice squats right here. Weight in your heels. After a few, you can take a little more depth. Feel full range of motion, but keep your chest up, chin up, and sit really low. Good. For 3, 2, and rest. Good. Stand all the way up. Left foot steps out into a lateral lunge. Step feet back together. So we're sitting back into the glute. Weight into your heel. Exhale as you stand up. Inhale as you come down. Good. Couple more right here. And switch your sides. Right foot steps out. We find a lateral lunge. Weight back into your heel. We're really loading into the right glute. And chest stays up tall. Good. 5 more seconds here. For 3, 2, and rest. Good. Toes out, heels in. We're going to drop down. Lift one arm up, then the other. Stand all the way up and go again. So big reach, reach, and stand. Couple more here. Good. 1 more. And shake it out. All right, our first round of movements. I want you to grab a set of dumbbells. You're gonna hold them at your shoulders. We have a reverse lunge to a knee drive. So the same leg will go. We'll step back into a lunge. We'll drive the knee up. 30 seconds here. Ready? In 3, 2, and 1. So big reverse lunge. Weight into your front heel. Really think about using your core to pull your knee up. And I'd much rather you find control than speed here. Inhale on the way down, exhale as you lift. Good, we have about 10 more seconds here. For 5, 4, 3, 2, give me 1 more, and rest. Feet come about hip width apart, toes slightly out, heels in. We have a basic squat. Ready? 3, 2, and 1. So we found these in warm up. I want you to get a little deeper in your squat. Weight in your heels. And nice strong core. Working our glutes, our hamstrings, our quads. You'll also feel your heart rate increase with our big lower body movements. About 10 more seconds here. For 5, for 3, 2, give me 1 more, and rest. All right, keep your weights where they are. Opposite leg, reverse lunge. Ready? And we're on. Big reverse lunge. Knee drives up. Exhale as you lift. Inhale as you lower. Good. Stay here about 10 more seconds. Nice strong core. Weight in your front heel. For 3, 2, and rest. All right, our fourth move, sumo squat. Toes out, heels in. Nice wide stance. We're down and up. Ready, and we're on. So inhale, exhale. I want to feel your knees open towards your pinky toe. Nice strong core. So we're working more into our adductors, our inner thighs, with our wide stance, toes out. About 10 more seconds here. Keep breathing. One round almost done. We're here for 5, 4, 3, 2. Give me one more. And rest. Little shake. We repeat. So, plant your foot. First leg. Right leg steps back. Ready. And we're on round 2. Big reverse lunge. Knee drive up. Chest up, chin up. Nice strong core. Weight into your front heel. Maybe wiggle your front toes. So we load into the glute. Think about using your core to lift your knee well over halfway right here. Under 10 seconds. Let's maybe get 3 more reps. And one more. Rest. Good. Feet hip width apart. We squat in 3, 2, and 1. So weight in your heels. Chest up, chin up. Really load your glutes. Feel a nice strong core. So belly button pulls into spine. Over halfway. Good. Final 10 seconds here. For 5, for 3, 2, and rest. Good. Opposite side. Left leg ready. 3, 2, and 1. Inhale on the way down. Exhale as you lift. Our final set of reverse lunges. Good, about 10 more seconds here. Really use your core to lift. For 3, 2, and rest. All right, our final move of our first round of exercise, sumo squat. Ready, 3, 2, and 1. Toes out, heels in. Inhale on the way down, exhale as you lift. That's about halfway right there. Final 15 seconds to finish our first group of movements. Good, for 5, 4, 3, 2, and rest. Good, shake it out. Grab a quick sip of water. We'll hit our second set of movements. All right, the first move is a lateral lunge. Left foot steps out into a lateral lunge. Knee drives up. We're on 30 seconds in 3, 2, and 1. So really sit back into your left heel. We load the left glute. Coming to a knee drive is optional, so you don't have to lift your knee. You can always step tap. You pick what you need in your body, but really think about sitting back into your left glute. For 5, for 3, 2, give me one more, and rest. Our second move is a deadlift. Little bend in your knees. We're gonna slide thumbs down towards our shins and stand up. Ready, 3, 2, and 1. So we slide slow on the way down and stand. Almost like it's 3 counts down and then 1 up. I want to feel a big stretch through your hamstrings. Press down in your heels as you stand. You exhale as you stand, inhale as you lower. Really tilt at your hips, sit them back. We're here for 5, 4, 3, 2, give me one more, and rest. Good. This time, right foot steps out, lateral lunge. We're on. Knee drives up. Really sit back into your right heel. Load into your glute. And don't forget to breathe here. So use your breath. We exhale with the exertion, the biggest part of our movement. Good, we have 10 more seconds here. For 3, 2, and rest. All right, weight stay up. Find hip width. Step out into a squat with the left, back to center, out with the right. Ready? We're on 30 seconds. So I want you to think about taking about a 6-inch step out as a little smaller step, little narrower squat. And think about one continual movement. So push from the low part of your squat to the stand. Inhale and exhale. Good, about 10 more seconds here. Maybe you find a little more depth. Nice and strong. We're here for 5, 4, 3, 2, and rest. Good, shake it out. All right, one more round. Left foot steps out to a lateral lunge. Ready, 3, 2, and 1. So big lateral lunge, knee drive, chest up. I like to bring my hands, my weights to my shoulders. You can always rest them as well if that feels better. But I really want you to sit back. Good, final 10 seconds here. For 3, 2, and rest. All right, deadlift round 2. Little hinge at the hips, bending the knees. We're on, here we go. 3 counts down, 1 drive up. I want you to feel your feet plant into the mat. Get a really big stretch through your hamstrings. Then as this feels comfortable, you can shift your hips back even more. Inhale on the way down, exhale as you lift. Last 10 seconds here. For 3, 2, and rest. Good, weights up, right leg steps out, lateral lunge. We're on, here we go. Weight into your heel, really set back. Load into your right glute. Right toes stay forward as you step out. Really good, we're halfway there. I want you to breathe. I want you to drive. Really pull your belly button into your spine. 10 more seconds. Good, we're here for 5. Stay with me. For 3, 2, and rest. All right, our final move. Weights up, narrow, stance, step, squat to the left and right. Ready, 3, 2, and 1. Step, squat, reset, and out. Small movement, but really load your legs. Really load your glutes. Inhale on the way down. Exhale as you stand. We are almost there, you guys. 15 seconds to go. Chest up, chin up. Good, last 10 seconds. We fight through all the way to the end. Stay with this here for 5, 4, 3, 2, and rest. Good, shake it out. Dumbbells come down. Give your legs a little shake. When you're ready, grab left foot, left hand. Bend your base leg, quadricep release here. You can always grab a wall or a chair, a sturdy object. That same leg comes forward, hinge at your hips. Big hamstring stretch. Good, all the way up, switch your sides, plant your left leg, right foot, right hand. Bend in your base leg, push your hip through. Couple nice deep breaths here. And dig your heel down, chest towards toes. Maybe you reach towards your toe. Feel that big hamstring stretch. Good, all the way up, toes out, heels in, slide your hands down your thighs. Hold it here for a moment. And then drop your left shoulder down, look over your right. Back to center, switch your sides. Back to center, heel toe your feet back together. Roll up slowly. Let's take an inhale here. Exhale down. Really good work today, you guys. I'll see you soon.